Okay, so now we need to add the texture to our little arm. So we're going to go over to Paint Bucket and we're going to go down to Textures and we are going to apply the correct textures. So the top is going to be just the kind of face material from plywood, and the base and the back, and then we're going to add the stripes to the sides like that. Okay, so now we've finished making this piece, we need to make it component as always. So we're going to go over here to Select, drag a box around our piece, let go, right click, make component. Let's call this left arm. Okay. Now we're obviously going to make our second arm, but the easiest way to do this is just to copy and paste the existing one. So we're going to make sure that we've selected it and it's in a blue box, and then we select on the keyboard Control C, press them at the same time, Control V, press them at the same time, and then move the mouse, and as if by magic we have two arms. Pop that one there for now. So now we need to place our arms on the body of the robot. So I'm going to select this one first, and we're going to go over to the left toolbar again, and we're going to click on the move icon. So that's the move tool over here. Click on that, and then I'm going to use this bottom left point here. So I'm going to click on that, and then I'm going to zoom out a bit and then move over to the main body. I'm just going to lock it into place with this back line here. So you'll see that it kind of snaps to this back line, and I'm just going to maneuver it down and put it about here. Let's say move it to, that's 100. Let's move it to about there. Click. Now, a way of making sure that I get the other arm in line is what I could do is temporarily draw a pencil line from there across to there. Click. And then select this one, go over to Move tool, click on that, and then I'm going to zoom in and click on this point here, the bottom right hand point of this one, click on that, and then zoom out and spin around using the middle mouse scroll wheel, and then zoom in a bit, and then I'm going to link it up with this back line here, and I'm just going to slide it down until it snaps to that point that I've drawn with a pencil line there. Click and release. And there we have it. We have our two arms in line, perfectly attached to the body of our little robot. All I've got left to do now is obviously select that line because I don't need it anymore, press delete, and we have our robot is starting to come to life. Look at that, fantastic. I'm going to save it, which is what you should be doing after you do anything, kind of make new parts or components, and there we go.